G'day folks, it is the Aussie Don for Don's Truckspotting Australia. This is episode 97 and this one is another special one, ladies and gentlemen. Well, a few weeks ago we brought to you the Convoy for Kids 2025 and there is a full replay of that now showing up on our Don's Truckspotting Australia full-length videos playlist. Check it out today. Anyway, we're here at Eastern Creek Drag Raceway here today, here in the greater west of Sydney, Australia, for a truck event, yes, and cars as well. So we hope you do enjoy this one, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget, if you're watching the premiere, it'll be updated to 4K resolution after the premiere. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And let's get into it. Enjoy. Okay, we've got the Top Gun Cranes Volvo FH, the 540 Euro 5 2012 model. Little small tanker on there. A big crane in the background. Check out this beauty. W900, absolute weapon. Haven't skinned one of these in American truck for a while. As you know, I do the mods. Look at that weapon. Got the wheels I use on American truck. Nice. And it's got the mirror on this one. You know, I always put the slapper over the top of the mirrors so we get the skin going on the whole thing. Beautiful. The last time I captured one of these Maswinis was at the last Weville Park adventure, actually. I actually had seen the fella rolling down the road. He actually gave me a horn salute, which was cool. This is the Benny the Ball edition. As you know, their trucks are based off Top Cat. And beautiful Peterbilt here. The Maswini. Pretty sure I've done this company on the game. There you go, the US fans there, the Peterbilt. Beautiful. Nice. And we got a T900 Legend here. You know, I skinned these on American truck as well with the Frank Paru. And we've got the same striping I do as well on it. So the T900s are based off the W900s and absolute beauties. Look at that, you can see me. Hello. That's an absolute beauty. There's that Peterbilt again. It's a long way to the top. Beautiful. Okay, we've got the Kenworth K220 here, loaded with pinstripes. Something I'm very specialised with all my trucks on American Truck Simulator when I do my skins. Got the square fuel tanker on this one with the lights down the bottom. That's beautiful. Kenworth mud flaps on there. Nice. This is the Auto Care Kenworth T610 SAR. .410, sorry, 410. My apologies. I was just going to say it's got the smaller scoop on the front. I haven't seen a 410 for a while, actually. There's one particular one that we don't do on American Truck. It's got the light inside the grille there. Look at that, beautiful. Looks like a laser. And then we got the K200 GMK Logistics. A skin that I have done before on American Truck Simulator. And you got the Freightliner Odyssey as well. A beautiful Freightliner Odyssey, nice. And of course you got Kevin Waters towing here. The legend, beautiful. International, hey, look at that. Beautiful. And the legend star with the KWT. That's beautiful. Nice. Beautiful truck, beautiful. And we got a 600, a beauty.
So that's a full custom radiator.
And the wood off that one. There's another 600. Nice. This is an absolute stunner, folks. You know I'm a sucker for black Kennys. The flames on them, even better. Look at this one. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, here we are at the drag strip. And as you know, I can zoom right down on this. There is the Rocket and the Aeroflow sponsors, as you know. I've done that on my recent Sunday American Truck Simulator live stream with the T909 and Freighter T-liner with that company, with the Rocket Industries. And absolutely go down there. All right. No action at the moment, but there will be soon. Okay, we're starting off with some cars, and we've got the absolute weapon over here.
Wow, gee, there was a lame Bowsen for a reason. Gee,
I tell you, that's in Toronto.
he's nice and straight, eh? Look at that, runs it through.
1093 at 125 from Aeroflow Lane.
10 nines. Gee, that's quick for a street car.
A 1580 taking on the E46 BMW.
Oh, that sounds rather throaty. Very V8ish. It's a BM versus one of the cars that they no longer make here. Well, that's just recently. The last thing that we produced, well, you know, aside from sort of special bias parts and things like that, we don't make reflex photocopy paper anymore. Green movement got involved.
BMW very quick today, 11.54, 118 as the Comorcos line with a 14.82 with a 2 at 99.
I think the least I got was 16.54.
Okay.
It's out of the 5.35.
Yes. All right, Sammy Joe in the green machine.
She's here all the time.
Yeah, taking on one of our state Dalton racing competitors here today. They stayed over, mate. Why not?
Oh, yeah, everything's there.
You got your trailer, you got your bed.
Yeah. There she's.
Sammy is ahead. 126 extra time turns out into a win. 10.84, the 5 at 123 from the Rocket Lane. 8 from the mighty AU Falcon. Quick good morning to Jess and Nadine. Bent on. Hey, right, everyone wave at Jess. See, no, don't do that, son. Don't do it. Alright.
Okay, all right, we've got our first motorbike drag race here.
Bike that's hanging out for the next pass.
Good thing about being a Sunday, Les, it's not on a Wednesday, it's not on a weekday, you can come down.
Yeah.
One thing about Don's Truckspotting Australia, we don't just do trucks, we do other stuff.
Looks like the Rocket Lane can have this one. So Aeroflow, yeah, moving the wrong way, I was looking backwards. 10.70.
It'll burn out down here in the Rocket Lane.
11.1 from the Rocket Lane.
But this is, I raced at my friends' Kawasaki's and all the big ones.
Well, that's these hot hatches these days come with forged pistons and
This red one done a
it's simple, don't it?
burnout on the entry, and here we go.
Yeah, this should be an interesting
Alright,
Be an
VF
interesting
taking
battle, this
on
one.
the VX. Oh, VZ, sorry.
How can you tell? Just by the tail.
VZ crosses the line 12.0 with an 8 at 96 to a 12.
And we've got an R Series Scania here with the Toei. Nice, nice. Yeah, look at the Freightlighters. Couple of Freightlighters here. And we've got those ones there. I apologise for the swearing, folks. And we've got a Camwave here. It's pretty standard to what I normally do with my skins, as you know, for American truck. I more ideally tailed than this normally, but this is absolutely stunning. It's still a nice truck. Got the chromey back fenders on there. Got the straight open pipes on there. Nice, nice. This is the Peterbilt 359. And got the engine open like the one we had at the Convoy for Kids a few weeks ago. Paintable tank.
We've always had a few cars. They're all special. The T-Bird. Oh, that's fine. The Comet for when we want to get away. The XR8. It's going to be a classic. They're all insured with shape. If you're motoring a business like us, it's not a thing. Shannon's. Insurance for motoring enthusiasts. Call 13 46 46 for a quote. Gloves, harnesses, underwear, accessories, and much more. Whether you're on the drag strip, circuit, or off-road, Simpson Race.
It's a nice truck. Beautiful.
Racing for real. Reaction time jackpot is up to $3,000. So what we're easy.
Got the T904 here.
Bring it down, take it apart, and chance of winning $3,000.
Lawrence company I've done a skin for an American truck, but not this design. I've got the maroon. Looks like we're going to have to do a new design on American Truck Simulator, folks. So we're going to do this one. This will be nice.
Up to 8 seconds. So if you have a street car that's been in the street and lets it run. Bring it down Friday night, we have a couple run at it. We have a checking of the rules Friday night, so I said there's going to be some heavy hitters. I believe there are some top cars, some Morrison cars that are coming in to have a go for the jig. So finalise it's definitely
Gap on the side of this one. Check out the back mirror. Marshall. That is so cool. Nice. Beautiful. Another beautiful Kenny just here. Paintable tanks, paintable fenders with the chrome in the middle, and striped, beautiful, historic plates. Beautiful, beautiful. Don't forget, folks, we're going to be doing the Illawarra Convoy coming up on our channel. We've got other fantastic ones. We've got the 100th episode coming up. We're going to do a special on the 100th. And there'll be other great Don's Truckspotting Australia videos. Don't forget our daily shorts we post. And also, don't forget, we're at Facebook, ladies and gentlemen, Don's Truckspotting Australia. Also, our YouTube channel, Australia Worldwide Entertainment. We've got an absolute beauty of a Kenny just here. Got the cat engine in this one. Nice, nice. And we've got a couple of Mercedes over here. A flatbed. Didn't do too much of this one last time, so we're back at it. And this is the Transstar 4700, the International. There's the Cummins engine in there. It's got the old International badge on there. Nice, nice. There you can see over there that there is a tanker over there with the Mercedes Astro. Nice. There you got the cars lined up there. Look at that. There's some nice looking cars in that. Very nice. Okay, some more trucks have arrived. So we've got this tipper with the 900.
So as the beamer takes off, 0.1 reaction time, takes a 7 on the egg, because the quarter at 12 minutes 5 on Truckspotter. It's pretty slick. That's right. Okay. We got Ryan C in the green machine. Yeah, I've got this truck ready to start setting jar or not.
Nice, nice. And you got the Detroit flap in the middle there. Nice. Check out the old Dodge. And look what else is on the back of it.
Speaking of yellow, this yellow Toronto as well, it's really taken the one on this one. Yeah.
The Larry Burton.
The reaction times are not real hot, but I tell you what, he's driving ditch at 10.90.
The US flag.
At 126.96, that's almost 127 miles an hour.
And at 12.94 with the 6 at 110 from the VE. As we move on to that Sishan. Taking on the Golf.
I tell you what I do like too of the Scirocco's.
And a little thing about Larry Burton.
They got the same power plant, but they
Sprint car. Beautiful.
Nice.
Another K200 here.
Good job, Mr. Brian, coming down to the centre of the green machine.
He's a regular in there. Oh,
Sounds like the drags are back running.
Showing how it's done.
There was a delay earlier because
the SLR. That's
nice, and then you got another one right next to the K108.
Everyone here is asking, when are the trucks on? So the trucks are on from noon. So in about 20 minutes time.
Australia-wide Concert Express.
Truck drivers, if you're calling, make your way and reroute through to the back gate. So if you want to start assembling, start going up the hill and assembling yourselves, we'll get you moving up shortly.
Cummins diesel engine.
As the rocket takes the wheel lads,
it does. 4-5-second reaction time and runs through.
Michelin tyres.
and the other yellow Toronto that just ran, 1369.
And Dirty Deeds on the back of it.
This is a funny
Nice.
little machine. We were looking at it and trying to determine
Nice.
yeah, I'll say.
Absolute legend of a truck just here. Look at this thing. That's absolutely beautiful. Nice. Okay, we're getting a bit closer to these Astros now. I finally have just managed to get these working actually on ATS for 156. We will update them for 157.
Hey, this is working.
Nice.
Oh, no.
And we'll do a couple of cars as well. Look at this, folks.
He still might be on the
Look at the old truck here. Look at this one. Absolute beauty. Nice.
1522.
Check out the engine in this.
And after that, at 13.90, you can
McLaren. Yes, there was one turned up at 54.
I've already got a.
Wow, the old wood.
Daughter's boyfriend. Yes. And he had
This is absolutely stunning.
574.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's. I don't know what that is, but it's just got 574 on the back. It's not McLaren and 574. Beautiful looking car. It's
Wow, check out this one. Beautiful. Okay, this one's rocked up late as well, so we're going to do this one as well.
So when he put the foot in the brake, it was actually the rear left was locked, but the rear right was still turning, and then he started going.
Oh, check out that weapon.
So hopefully nothing too serious.
We did have a bright punch. Start up here and just take off, go around the side of the wall.
Oh, wow.
Right the inside.
Lining up the tyres, a bit too much power off takeoff. Unfortunately, you can't rock and roll out of that. The Aeroflow takes the win in the Falcon, 1160 on 0, 116.
And there we go with a tour of that beautiful Kenworth. Nice. All right, folks, we're heading back up to the grandstands. We've got the trucks coming up shortly. A couple of nice sports cars as well, so let's do it. All right.
Round winner of state title.
All right, we've got a pretty good one here. Look at this. You got the Volkswagen here up against this.
You look underneath and you see it with the tyres, they're very wide back. You don't know, you can't tell from the outside, but yeah, they look like about 26.
What do you call that?
Let's do the horse signal, ladies and gentlemen. See if we can get some cheese back.
Here come the trucks. Here come the trucks.
Oh, okay.
Here we go.
In the front. Yeah.
Oh, he's doing a burnout there. Oh, I thought he was.
Here we go.
Get run over. Chugging along. Direct power steering Kenworth.
Yeah, well, we had to back there and pull up there and camera.
Somebody cooking a barbecue.
They've been taking on Matt Tilmer.
Little boozer. We've got a bus involved in it today.
Look at it go, it's slipping up the dragway.
Got the Mad Matt.
Matt, and there's another player.
Yeah, see what the Legend Star can do.
Yeah, now these guys don't talk before they come up. You know, that going for the south.
Check out the mural on the roof. We didn't get that on there before. We've got the angle now.
So this is like Adrian, T900, Adrian Richardson.
Here we go. Legend Star versus T900 Legend.
You have a quick delay here, because it looks like truck keeps making. Not parked there, Les. That was in probably had a safety that pushed on it. Yeah, it was the choreographer that Stephen was just playing some games with it.
Oh, this is coming together there. Keep it over this side. Oh, there it is. That's the second street. Put it right here. Burn out there. Keep on.
Alright, there's a little bit of a delay, but we're ready now. Legend Star versus T900 Legend.
It's like you go passenger in a truck. All you need to do is purchase a raffle ticket up at the merch at the top of the stairs here.
And they're underway. And the T900 Legend wins. Alright, we've got the Scania R Series now coming in for the towing. Up against the little, hey, Bryce's little truck here, little tiny delivery truck, ex-Woolworths. Here we go.
A lot of weight over those rear wheels.
So this is Craig, Craig plus Tony.
Oh, yeah.
With the flashing lights, you can hear us.
That's the scary.
European.
Beauties here.
This is the little that's just a Woolworths food truck.
Oh,
It might be the bridge truck.
yeah.
Here we go.
That is the
Steel brand is in stage as we wait for Harley Redmond, the Mighty Cruiso.
Here comes the bus. Go forward.
And they're off.
And here we go. This is a little tiny truck. Yeah, of course it's got it. The other one's a heavy vehicle.
That's not all about size, is it? Oh,
Need to get the fella that I know from Weville Park that knows how to slap the gears on the K200. Come down here on the strip.
look at all the lights at the grid.
Alright, we're up against the Volvo FH, up against the Ford bus.
Straight across the line, 27 to 74 with a 5 at 54.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's 54 mile an hour, 57 plus.
Would have been hilarious to see the burnout from the bus. It would have been funny. Okay, looks like the bus has got a bit of a handicap. And a bus is flying. And of course the bus is going to beat a Volvo. Alright, a couple of tippers going at it here. Battle of the tradies.
Yeah, that's a cab over. Yeah.
Here we go.
Got a bit of oomph in that.
It's a lot easier to do camera angles with the truck.
Yeah,
I've got a couple of circles to try and make it.
they do take a little time to come into focus too. And see this when you look from this camera exterior here on TV.
Here comes
Zero
the
back up to
600,
25,
T600.
57.
That one coming up to the line. First.
There we go. That's a triple.
Looks like this one's gone on its own.
Love it.
Oop.
He's definitely going for it. He might go for 90 if we want. 23.
2309.
Alright, we got the T600s.
Alright, it's blue on blue.
There we go.
Now, I have from memory, last time he was here, when he installed this thing up, it rolls cold. Right? A lot of cold.
Rusty coming out.
7. Yep, up against the 540i.
I think this thing is going to say bye-bye.
Barbarian. As in, yeah, what was that show that Arnie, his first show, was okay, Barbarian. Under the Barbarian. If you remember that.
I stopped 2 seconds and went, am I?
No, mate, I'd be the oldest person in this whole facility, let me tell you.
Alright, Falcon U taking on the one way in from Carl Morgan.
Oh, no.
Well, I did say to you guys, it's not just trucks in this episode. It's a fine cars. And a 15.3.
Straight off the hit.
That's it. BY says taking on the 540i as Keith takes a quick drink.
He's everywhere,
He's everywhere. Employee of the month material.
Did you used to have listen to that Chicken Man on the radio? That's what
The chicken bed?
Chicken Man.
No.
Oh, that's right.
And your women takes a win there.
quick one, see?
The little quick one.
Yes, it's 1081. That's the best
Falcon
that
versus
he's
the
gone.
Toronto.
And a 1054 for, oh gee, this is going to be good. It'll all be down to the reaction time if this was a race.
Okay, round 2 of the drag trucks.
Sunday sessions race are all fairly brought to you by Aeroflow. Kids, keep your horses ready. Let's get to see if we can get some more.
There we go. Oh no, that's the track ball.
Come on, kids. Mum and Dad, show them how to boys. Let's get some truck horns going.
Yes, you're allowed to do it.
Yes. So, yes. As Steve comes out, he's going to be going for solo running.
Oh yeah.
This is the truck that is available in the raffle. So, $20. Go win the chance to win a passenger ride in this vehicle. I know Jez on the team would love to do that, passenger ride the truck.
Oh, that'd be amazing. It's 107 mile an hour, the quarter-mile truck.
Definitely does not muck around.
No. Oh my God, it's stuck.
Steve backs it up. The direct car steering purist, Torrey Kenworth. Oh, look at that in the burnout pad.
That's right. Dig a trench through that.
Yeah.
That stuff they built the targets, one.
Here we go.
Here we go, there's a horn. Need more horns.
Yeah. The horn section.
That's
This is
it.
the one that went 13 in round 1.
The GMK Freightliner
13
gets
seconds.
himself ready. That looks like it's staying in the truck.
There we got the Scania.
Really big for the front as well.
Got the
Now here
shed
goes
going.
Steve Zammit, here
There we
Les.
go. Yeah, look. Go. Oh, he's on at 0.696.
1.9 to 60.
He went 12.8.
107.81 to be exact there, Adam, and his previous best was a 12.83 something. So he's gone quicker again today than on this one.
Standing guitarist in the Aeroflow lane.
And we got the Fuso there as well.
One of the fullest haulage it looks like, one of the SR Kenworths.
Scary folks.
Now, this Kenworth, the tipper with the cover over it to stop all the rocks and tan bark flying out of it, is it went pretty well on its previous run.
Just a quick reminder for all our truck drivers, aircon off, windows up please. Can't be downside enough for safety. Windows up, aircon off. Alright. 0.2 reaction
Gee
time.
whiz, out of that big truck.
Mate,
Look at that.
Stan wants to win on this one. As we have a look at our handicap here, brought to you by the West Finish Line.
So the tracking lines are in the right. It's probably got what? Tuck with the tray on it.
Yeah, probably takes the win there, Les.
Yes.
22.
There we go. And they're off. 1.362 reaction time out of the Fuso. And for the big fella there, a 1.422 reaction time. Look at that, 3064. Oh, is that?
So once again, all truck drivers, please ensure your windows are up.
27.
Look how it's outfitted. It's
Yeah,
all,
you got
yeah,
the,
and all. Look
Ford
at the
bus up
hydraulic
against the
lines
Kenny.
in it.
Yeah. So it looks
This
like
is the one
Tri
with the
coming
blue
up in the tow
flames.
truck.
Oh, beauty.
We've got Adrian in the Aeroflow lane in the T900. We've got no info on the bus.
Buses.
You said it used to be.
Yeah, it's Benny Gat's Wild Bunch bus.
Yes.
He used to bring they slept in it and everything. Oh, it could be.
This is going to be close, isn't it? Oh, 22.6 to a 22.9.
Nice.
All right, here we go. We got the Series Scania up against the Volvo FH 2012. Here we go.
Taking on the Top Gun truck.
Yes.
Truck up against
Top
it.
Gun cranes.
And they're off.
It's a magnificent.
And the FH has come now flying.
Out there. He's talking to the owner.
So I need to... Green on the back on the frame.
Here we go, folks. We've got the Scania up against the Fuso now with the ex-Woolworths. Ex-Woolworths coming in now. Here we go.
There we go.
There's out there, beauty.
And the Scania taking off. The Shrek goes down. Here we go.
Alright. Here comes the Scania. Powering through. Takes the position. Takes the win.
21 seconds.
21.69 with the two at 70 miles an hour.
26.
And a 26.127 at 57 miles an hour.
Alright.
Yeah.
Pink versus blue.
Kenworth
Well, you
Legend
guys
SAR
want
up
to
against
any kids here?
the
Which one do you think, the
T600.
pink one or the blue one?
I'll go, like in America, they've got stickers on their houses. We back the blue
Okay.
for the police.
Right. The blue has a lead. The pink one has to come down. I don't know what's like getting in front.
The blue one's coming back.
Both 22s though, 22.97. As Steve Zammit comes out for another run.
Here we go with the weapon again.
Oh, I'd like to see that truck at Lake Gardner.
That's
you
it.
know, for the banging around.
They still
with
do
those,
it. But I think it's only 2 or 3 rounds this like.
Is it?
What a launch. 0.5 reaction time.
And at our track championships here.
He's trying to get that reaction. It's going to work $500. I sent the truck drivers today. 000 reaction time for a truck, $500. Fastest elapsed time of the day.
Here we go. We've got the beautiful Stingray coming out now.
That's the Falcon with the intake, the ram effect. See, mate, he opened it
That's
up.
his green
and
machine.
And went really low tense.
Oh wow. Now if you had a larger intake. Alright.
No.
69 Stingray, dark 69 here in the Aeroflow lane, taking on our WB.
Oh, that, yeah.
We thank you very much for watching this Don's Truckspotting Australia episode 97 from our very special episode with our trip to the Sydney Dragway at Eastern Creek, New South Wales, Australia for the truck and car event from Sunday, the 9th of November 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Australia Worldwide Entertainment today. Turn the notification bell on and join our over 11,000 subscriber base today. And don't forget to check out our 2 dedicated Don's Truckspotting Australia playlists, one for our daily shorts and one for our full-length video episodes, where this one will go to. My name is the Aussie Don, and we'll see you on episode 98. Hooroo!